Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edwin Vindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to download or install the MacP with Advisor. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a Chrome browser, and then ito yung kanyang link ay lalagay ko sa description box para mas madali na mahanap. So makita mo dito na MacP with Advisor free. So search confidentially and browse simply with our free web browser, mga kaibigan. So pre-download po siya, and then next, kung paano ba natin ito i-install. So kailangan mo lang i-click tong pre-download. And then dito sa taas, mga kaibigan, ongoing po yung downloading niya. So kailangan lang natin itong hintay na ma-complete yung installing niya. Okay, so makikita mo dito na already downloaded and installed. Then, click mo lang ito, mga kaibigan, installer. And then, if you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then, next step, so kailangan lang natin itong i-fill out or i-click mo lang itong box dito sa baba. By clicking install, you are agreeing to the end user license agreement, mga kaibigan. So, check mo lang itong box. And then, dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click itong install. And then, wait natin na ma-complete yung installation niya. Alright, so, we've already installed your personal online advisor. So, ready to go. And then, click mo lang dito yung done. Ayan, so, kailangan lang natin i-locate yung apps na yon. So, dito lang sa start menu. And then, select mo lang dito yung settings. And then, dito sa apps, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa installed apps, so click mo lang siya. And then dito sa search apps, so search lang natin. And so makikita mo na dito, mga kaibigan, na Web Advisor by McAfee. Okay, so pwede mo i-click dito, mga kaibigan, dito lang sa right side, pwede mo itong i-modify or uninstall mo siya. So ganun na po kasimple on how to install McAfee Web Advisor browser extensions. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.